Today, in Kajabi in 5 minutes, I'm going to be talking about the templates and the expert services area that Kajabi has built right into the Kajabi dashboard to help you connect with other people if you are looking to hire some help. So, this is actually a pretty cool space. And if you're in the dashboard of Kajabi, it is right underneath the Creator Studio. There's a little more button with a drop down arrow, and you click on that, and you can see expert services and custom templates. So, the custom templates is an area that you can buy templates. These are vetted by Kajabi and they're for you just to buy. If you didn't know, when you go into your website or product or landing page area, you can actually upload a template. And for that matter, you can, if you've got a cool page or something designed, you can export that as a zip file, as a template as well. So that's pretty neat. But in this template area, there's all sorts of templates. And they range from, 50 to $80 US. I've seen some as high as $800 US, kind of depending on what it is that you're looking for. But there's websites, landing pages, products, bundles, funnels, the works. And so if you don't like the idea of building something yourself, and if you aren't really happy with the templates that are for free, then you can go and check those out. And you might find something that you really like. So that's awesome to know it's there. Now, above the custom templates is an expert services. And this opens up in a different area, a new thing. Although if you look up in the menu, you can access the template space as well. But here you can get vetted experts. And this could be really helpful, especially if you are looking to pay for somebody to do your stuff. All of these people here are vetted, and you can see that they've got, star ratings and how many projects they've done. And, it might be hard to choose between, this list because, there's probably 100 or so people on here, but you're going to have a lot better success, I would think, going here than just going to Google or Fiverr or something like that and trying to find somebody, because at least here, that these people have done projects that are within Kajabi, and Kajabi is acknowledged that they're decent, and anywhere else, who knows what you're getting. So this is also pretty cool. Now, there's some things to help you find an expert. So you don't just have to throw a dart at the board here and, pick one and then start messaging them. I'm sure, all of these people have awesome things that make it great working with them. But if it's not super easy to see, but if you click on or not as super intuitive is what I meant to say, but if you click up on the Kajabi logo, it actually, there brings you to a different page where there's a start project button. And then it just leads you through, what are you looking for? And you can click some things, give us a little bit of a description about your project, and you can type some stuff out, and they can make some recommendations for you, which helps you find that person that you might end up working with. And so if you're in the market for looking to pay for some help, I guess you could always email me. I do that as well, or go check out my website. But within Kajabi, they've got the hire an expert bit, and I actually haven't put myself in there just because I've been busy without doing that. But you can go in there and you can see, and that can really be a good way to find help. So if you didn't know that those areas were there, go and check them out. Even if you're not interested in paying for stuff right now or needing those things, it's just great to know what's available to you in case the need arises. So hopefully that was useful for you. And if you are looking to hire an expert or to work with somebody, you can for sure shoot me an email. I would love to chat to see what you've got going on. And I will catch you next time in the next episode.